Here at Jacqueline's, we have a large selection of new and pre-owned watches. Some of the watch brands that are new we're licensed to carry are Carl F. Bucher. They are more of a boutique company. They make less than 25,000 watches a year. So they're very into detail. They have some of the most complex movements in the world. So it really is a special watch. It's a one-of-a-kind watch. Some of the other companies we carry are TAG, which is a great watch. TAG is probably one of the top 5 watch companies in the world when it comes to amount of watches made a year. One of the most famous watches they make is the Monaco. They're square, it's a little bit different, it's more fun. You don't see a lot of square watch cases in the watch world. Here at Jacqueline's, we have every price point for you, from Citizen all the way up to Rolex and everything in between.